The gap between using AI to solve problems and actually deploying in a business is growing beyond the capabilities of what IT can do because of their legacy processes. Here's an example. An administrator for a major land development company has to go into hundreds of folders each week to check if a certain file is inside. It's all in their local drives. The file she's looking for is added automatically from a lot of other different processes that feed into those hundreds of folders. This takes tens of hours each month, hundreds of hours each quarter, but it has to get done because of Q&A. Now you may think this is a useless task, and on the face of it, it is, but if it doesn't get done, there's big negative implications for other teams. The easiest AI fix would be to use Claude Code and put it in your terminal or put it in Cursor and have it check all the folders and subfolders for that specific file, and it could do that within minutes. And with MCP, you can then connect it to your email, send the updates to Slack or Teams, which this administrator does. Yes, you could create a Windows script to do this, but with Claude Code and MCPs, there's so much more you could do and tackle a lot of the tasks in this whole process. You can even do a combo with the script and Claude Code to cover all your bases, not to mention sub-agents, which then you can program to do very specific things in this whole process. But there are very few corporate IT teams that would allow Claude Code to be installed into your work computer terminal or even in Cursor to give you full access to those folders. And I understand why, because of the security risks. This is one simple example, but we run into so many of these back office tasks with hundreds of our clients, each one with a potential AI solution that IT can't support or even understands. Now, it really depends on the client because they can have a more progressive, let's just do it approach versus ones that are more risk averse and you just have to play in that environment. I'm not sure what the solution is, but I know as AI progresses, they can do more and more of these back office tasks that are really prevalent across all major businesses. And the solutions will get more simple, but the ability of businesses, IT to deploy them will be quite limited. So for your business, have you seen or heard about an AI solution that could easily solve your problem, but you'll have to go through hoops or just prevented by your corporate IT or SecOps teams?